Weld seam integrity in spiral saw pipes is vital for safe and reliable performance in high-pressure applications. Defects in the weld or heat-affected zone, HAZ, can cause critical failures. Ultrasonic inspection enables early defect detection, ensures standard compliance, and minimizes operational and maintenance risks. FLAW HUNTER SP9501, Pejvak Rayan's real-time solution for online spiral weld inspection and defect detection, right after welding. Utilizing cutting-edge pulse echo technology and 8 optimized angled probes, this system precisely detects surface, volumetric, longitudinal, and transverse defects, including those within the heat-affected zone. Key features include real-time weld tracking, automated defect marking, and advanced noise filtering. The software displays real-time data from 8 channels, each with its own A-scan and strip chart for full traceability and precise signal monitoring. Capable of testing pipes from 16 to 120 inches and thicknesses up to 30 millimeters, this system maintains production speeds up to 40 meters per minute. Pejvak Rayan custom builds each system to meet your specific production needs. Pejvak Rayan designs and delivers custom ultrasonic testing systems with cutting-edge technology, outstanding quality, and competitive pricing, built to meet the demands of modern industry.